Well, this is what canal life's all about. Meeting our little hedgerow friends. Are you videoing? Are you? Are you videoing?
I am videoing.
Hey, I was just saying this is canal life. Meeting our little hedgerow friends. Hello,
Yes.
gorgeous.
I think it might be a long-tailed tit. It's only got a short tail at the moment because it's a baby, but I think it's a long-tailed tit.
Got a
Unless
feeling.
it's a wagtail. Could be a wagtail.
I've got a feeling he's going to get eaten.
I suspect so.
But he's not very old. That's the problem. He can't too. He's fallen out of the nest too soon. I bet there's a bloody cuckoo up there. That's what's happened.
Could be, yes. Could well be. I haven't heard one though.
Stephen with his new friend. It's a sign. Hello. Hello. Tweet, tweet.
Well, what are we going to do with him, Stephen?
Well, we've either got to feed him worms,
Which I don't think we can manage.
or we've got to let him go and hope his mummy will come and get him.
Yeah. He's not even tweeting though, to call her. Or him.
I think we should land it in the hedge, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to fly now, birdie.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well done.
He's better off there.